How's it going, everybody? This is Matthew Blaster here, talking about our cruise that we just went on with Carnival Magic. Now, there was a lot of great things that we loved about our cruise. It was a Caribbean cruise. There was a lot of fun things that we did. But the one thing that was awesome was we stayed at the Cloud 9 Spa Suite. And I'm going to talk a little bit about what that is and what you can expect. In terms of free amenities, it's a little bit different than the other rooms offered on Carnival cruises. There are things like the fitness center with some free classes they give you access to. Depending on the ship you go on, there's lots of different saunas. There's dry saunas and wet saunas. There's a relaxation room for just sitting around and enjoying silence, which is kind of hard to find on a cruise sometimes. There's whirlpools and other types of mineral baths that are there. A larger room, some have a balcony. We actually had a mini fridge in ours as well. This was our view from our balcony. So we were on the 11th floor, which was the floor above the Lido deck. And you can see we just had an awesome view, and it was super fun to sit out while we were cruising and while we were at sea and while we got to the islands. So with Carnival Magic and this Caribbean cruise, we left out of Port Canaveral, and so I took some quick fast-forwarded video through our embarkation, and so hopefully you can enjoy this, and thanks for watching. Really appreciate it.